Hello Rahul, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am fine too. I am currently working on a project. What are you doing?
I am also working on a project. It is very difficult.
Okay, okay, I can help you if you want.
Thank you. I will definitely ask for your help.
Okay, now let's focus on your work. Rahul, I want to ask you a question.
Yes, tell me.
When will this project be completed?
I think it will be completed by today.
Okay, that's good. I will call you tonight and see what happened.
Yes, okay. Hello, sir. Do you need an auto?
Yes, I want to go to Mumbai Place.
Okay, sir. Have a seat.
How much will it cost?
It will cost 100 rupees.
Okay, that's fine. How is the traffic right now?
The traffic is a little bit heavy, sir.
Okay, no problem. How much longer will it take?
It will take a little bit longer, sir.
Okay,
Do you want to get off here?
yes, sir.
Give me 100 rupees.
I am giving you 100 rupees.
Thank you, sir.
Please show me your auto sometime. I will ride in your auto again.
Yes, sir. I will always want to give you a ride in my auto.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a good day.
Hello, friend. How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am fine too. Have you ordered your food?
Yes, I have ordered chicken tikka masala. What have you ordered?
I have ordered butter chicken.
Okay, that's good.
They eat their food for a while. This food is very good.
Yes, I also really like it.
They talk about their food for a while. What did you do yesterday?
I went to watch a movie with my friends.
Wow, that's great. Which movie did you watch?
We watched KGF Chapter 2.
Okay, that's good. I have heard about it. It is a very good movie. They talk about the movie for a while. What are your plans for today?
I was thinking of staying home and watching TV.
Okay, that's fine. I also want to watch TV.
Let's watch TV then.
They watch TV for a while. I am going now.
Okay, goodbye. See you next time.
Yes, goodbye. They leave the restaurant.
Hello, friend. How did you know that you started loving me?
Whenever I saw you, I felt that you are a different person. It feels very good to be with you.
I feel the same way too.
And when I see you, happiness comes to my life.
I feel the same way too.
I think I want to make you my life partner.
I also want to make you my life partner.
I love you.
I love you too. They hug each other.
End of the video. I want to say one thing. If this video is helpful for you, so please like, comment and share. And please comment me what kind of video do you want. I will try to make that type of videos. If you really want to improve your English, if you really want to speak in English, so you can follow this channel. We will upload that type of video every single day. Please support me. Please subscribe and press on the bell icon. Like, comment and share.